In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF to Clickfunnels. This is really useful if you want to deliver a lead magnet, a checklist, an ebook, or any kind of downloadable resource directly through your funnel. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go inside your account to upload your file so you can share it with your visitors or customers. First, make sure you're logged into your Clickfunnels account and you're on the main dashboard. From here, look down to the bottom left corner of your screen. You're looking for the gear icon, which represents settings. Go ahead and click on that. This is where Clickfunnels keeps most of your behind-the-scenes options, including where your files and assets live. Once you click the gear icon, a secondary sidebar will appear. This is a new panel with more detailed options. In this sidebar, find and click on the option labeled Assets. Think of assets as the storage area for the different files you might want to use in your funnels, such as images, videos, and of course, PDFs. After you've clicked Assets, you'll see different categories to organize your files. Here, you want to look for the section called Downloads or sometimes Files, depending on how it appears in your version of the interface. This is the area specifically intended for things your visitors can download, like your PDF guides or resources. Click on Downloads or Files to open that section. Now you should see a button that says Upload File. This is the key step where you actually add your PDF into Clickfunnels. Click on Upload File and a file picker window from your computer will pop up. Navigate to the folder on your computer where your PDF is saved. Select the PDF you want to use and confirm the selection to start the upload. Wait for the upload to complete. Longer or larger PDFs may take a few extra seconds. Once the upload finishes, your PDF will appear in your list of files in the Downloads or Files section. From here, Clickfunnels will generate a link for that PDF, which you can then use inside your funnels, for example, on a thank you page or in an email delivery. The important part is that your PDF is now safely stored inside Clickfunnels and ready to share with your audience.